Here we have a 69 plate BMW 330d M Sport. And this vehicle comes with over £3,000 worth of optional extras, all listed on the website. We have the 19-inch gloss black alloy wheels, all in excellent condition, and with the blue M Sport brake calipers behind. We also have the blue metallic exterior paintwork, LED headlights, we have the gloss black front grills and also front splitter, and there's a look at that front end. Coming round to the passenger side, you'll find the side skirts running along the bottom, colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, we have the black trim around the windows and the privacy glass at the rear. Shark fin antennae up top, along with the gloss black rear spoiler on the tailgate. Now we do also have front and rear parking sensors with a visual display and a reversing camera as well. Dual legs exhaust with the rear diffuser. If you just open up the boot like so, press the button underneath there, you'll find it is power operated. So inside of here you can see we have a decent amount of space. We have the storage nets on the left and the right hand side. We also have the button back up here so we can close it like so. Coming back round to the driver's side, you find the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. And if you take a look at the interior, so inside of the back first you find the full leather interior, foldable armrests in the centre, fixed ISO points as well back here. We also have the M Sport style seat belts, electric windows on the doors, and again at the front we have the same leather seats. There is a quick look at both of them, and they are both heated as well. Got the electric mirrors, electric windows, automatic lights and ambient lighting, automatic wipers and a multifunctional steering wheel. Taking the seat inside, you find the digital dashboard in front of us. Put a foot on the brake, press the start button, the vehicle starts up for us. Got the cruise control speeder here on the left hand side. Heated steering wheel button is in the centre. Of course, paddle shifters either side. And we are free from any warning lights on the dashboard other than for the fuel level, so nothing to worry about. Main infotainment screen in the centre is currently showing the sat nav. If it is flickering or if any lights are flickering, it's just the camera. It's not flickering in real life, so nothing to worry about. So like I said, many features on here, you would have seen them all on the photos. We'll quickly go through some of them. We do have the buttons down here. Click onto media, you find the radio stations along with the other media options on the left. We have the Bluetooth phone connectivity for phone calls. These apps that are currently installed on the vehicle, along with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Intelligent safety system, making it a very safe vehicle to drive. We've got the vents with the dual zone climate control and ice cold air conditioning for the front passengers. Heated seats as well either side, all working as they should do. Automatic gearbox as well with the different drive modes, which you can quickly press the buttons to go through. If you put the car into reverse, you'll also find the reversing camera with the parking sensors up here on the screen. Put it back into park by pressing P. You then have the electric handbrake and auto hold button. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. Thank you for watching.